Hey there, fellow entrepreneurs and business owners. Ever found yourself wondering, can I really use Xero on any computer? Anywhere? Will it work on my Mac, my Windows PC, even that old Chromebook gathering dust in the corner? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into Xero's compatibility and exploring whether this popular accounting software truly lives up to the work-from-anywhere promise. In today's fast-paced world, flexibility is key. Whether you're a digital nomad constantly on the move, a remote team scattered across the globe, or simply someone who likes to work from the coffee shop down the street, having access to your business's financial data anytime, anywhere is crucial. Xero, with its cloud-based platform, has positioned itself as a leader in this area, promising seamless access across various devices. But does it truly deliver? Addressing the core question, Xero's compatibility. The good news is, yes, you can absolutely use Xero on any computer. Xero's cloud-based nature means it's designed to be accessed through any web browser. This incredible flexibility offers a ton of advantages. Device agnostic. Whether you're on a powerful desktop, a sleek laptop, a tablet, or even a smartphone, as long as you have an internet connection, you can log into your Xero account and get to work. Operating system independence. Xero functions flawlessly on Windows, Mac OS, Chrome OS, and even Linux. No matter what operating system your preferred device runs on, you're covered. Browser compatibility. Xero is compatible with all major web browsers, including Chrome, Firefox, Safari, and Edge. This gives you the freedom to choose the browser that best suits your needs and preferences. Exploring Xero's mobile app. But Xero's commitment to accessibility goes beyond just web browsers. The Xero mobile app, available for both iOS and Android, empowers you to manage your finances on the go. Key features on the mobile app. Invoice creation and approval. Easily create and send professional invoices to your clients directly from your phone or tablet. Bank reconciliation. Stay on top of your bank transactions by reconciling them quickly and efficiently within the app. Expense tracking. Capture and categorize expenses with ease using your device's camera. Access to key reports. View essential financial reports, such as profit and loss statements and balance sheets, anytime, anywhere. Addressing potential concerns. While Xero's cross-platform compatibility is a major strength, it's worth addressing a few potential concerns. Internet connection. Since Xero is cloud-based, a stable internet connection is essential for optimal performance. Offline access. While Xero doesn't offer extensive offline functionality, there are some limited features available, such as viewing previously downloaded reports. Browser performance. The performance of Xero can sometimes vary slightly depending on the browser and device you're using. Tips for optimal Xero experience. To ensure the best possible Xero experience, consider these tips. Use a modern browser. Keep your browser updated to the latest version for the best performance and security. Maintain a strong internet connection. A stable and fast internet connection will significantly improve your Xero experience. Utilize the Xero mobile app. The mobile app is a powerful tool for managing your finances on the go. Explore Xero's help resources. Xero offers extensive help resources, including articles, videos, and a support community, to assist you with any questions or issues you may encounter. Benefits of cross-platform compatibility. The ability to use Xero on any computer offers numerous benefits for businesses of all sizes. Increased productivity. Access your financial data and manage your business from anywhere, at any time. Improved collaboration. Seamlessly collaborate with your team members, regardless of their location or the devices they use. Enhanced flexibility. Work from anywhere, home, office, coffee shop, or while traveling, without compromising on your access to critical financial information. Reduced IT overhead. No need to install and maintain separate software on each device. Real-world examples. Let's look at a few real-world examples of how Xero's cross-platform compatibility can benefit businesses. Freelancers and consultants. Easily track income and expenses while working from client sites or traveling. Small businesses. Manage finances on the go, approve invoices while on the road, and stay connected to your business even when away from the office. Remote teams. Collaborate effectively with team members located in different parts of the world. In conclusion, Xero's commitment to cross-platform compatibility makes it an incredibly versatile and user-friendly accounting solution. Whether you're a solopreneur or a growing business, Xero empowers you to manage your finances with ease and flexibility. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.